This is another video in my series on alternating current. In this video, I'm going to talk about my course, Trigonometry for Electrical Engineering, which in actual fact is a misnomer because it is not just for electrical engineering. It is for anyone who has an elementary grasp of mathematics and wishes to learn more about trig functions. In my last video, I made reference to trig identities. This may have seemed strange to some people that are not familiar with trigonometry. However, there does exist logical proof of these trig identities that I have used. Unfortunately, the social media sites do not allow enough time to go through the proof associated with these identities. Fortunately, though, you can go through the full development of these trig identities in my course entitled Trigonometry for Electrical Engineering, which is located in my stand store at this web address. In this course, one chapter deals exclusively with trig identities and their development. It is done in a clear and concise manner with crisp, clean animations presented in a simple and logical manner. The logic is done in a step-by-step method that is easy to understand and which can be paused and or rewound at any point for immediate review. Then continued through a series of mathematical maneuvers which, step by step, moves to the end where the trig identity from the precise logic is finally developed. In this course, all of the trig identities are developed. The sum formulas, the difference formulas, and the product to sum formulas, which are used to come up with the equation for average power. Before concluding this video, I want to make sure that you are aware of another huge sale that is available right now. EcoFlow will be offering benefits worth up to $3,000 on some of their products. In order to browse the full extent of this sale, simply go to this website. As a reminder, all the letters in this web address are lowercase, and not to be confused, this letter is a lowercase l. This video is part of my electrical technical information series. Be sure and stay tuned, as I will also from time to time be reviewing electrical products that in my opinion are worthy of paying attention to. This address will give you access to the supplier of aforementioned products, and it is also the connection to obtain a free copy of my 50-page electrical power crib sheets.